smoke, they pitch back.
Yeah, what the heck? Is he trying to be Superman?
Just take off the lid, put in a carton of eggs, pack of hot dogs, another carton of eggs for some reason, another pack of hot dogs. I don't know, more eggs perhaps.
There is a third option.
There is?
No!
Bruh. Stop it, no laughing at that.
No.
Hey, can we please find the dog?
Mr. 305!
I'll get that.
Ha! So we in the sales game call a win-win scenario. You ready? Hi!
Call me Lawrence, okay? Even though I'm dripping sweat and I look like a steamed dumpling right now.
Affleck.
Someone there?
Wow. That's not even funny.
I don't know why they tried to drive it.
What is that? Abomination.
The end.